Okay folks, welcome to our garden, our exotic garden here on Salt Spring Island, located in the southern Gulf Islands in the North Pacific, off the southwest coast of British Columbia, Canada. So I'm standing beside one of my seed-grown Trachycarpus fortunei palms. Common name is Chinese windmill. This is a male palm in bloom. This is the bloom time in May, and the male flowers always open up before the female flowers, okay? But there's always enough time for them to pollinate. So we have some females that are quite far from this palm. They're about 250 feet away from this palm. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cut off a flower stalk, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to dust it over top of the female Trachycarpus flowers. So the female will produce seed. And with the seeds, we grow more palms. So let me take one of these off here. God, it's so beautiful. I hate cutting one off. It looks so nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, why don't you take that, the one on the...
I could take
what
one
about
off
the one in the middle there?
This one right...
Yeah.
This one right here?
No, yeah.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to cut this off right here. Sorry, flower stalk. There we go. Okay, so this has got a lot of pollen on it, all right? This flower stalk is absolutely beautiful. So that's a close-up.
Here, hold it. Oh, let me get a picture.
So the male palms do not produce seed, okay? That's why we're going to dust this.
Yeah. For the female.
I hear a sapsucker behind me pounding
yeah,
on one of the
he is actually. Oh, here, I'll take a picture.